Hi folks, I'm Kevin Dundon from Dunbrody House in Ireland's ancient East. I'd like to invite you into my kitchen to share some of my favourite recipes to give you a taste of Ireland. So welcome to my kitchen here in Dunbrody House, and today I'm actually going to share one of our signature desserts here, and it's a real chocolate indulgent. It's chocolate fondant. They're quite easy to make, so it's like if you just follow the steps here, you'll have great success yourself at home. What I've done is I've got 72% chocolate here, and I've just melted it over a pot of water there, okay? So it's called bain-marie, so you can see there. And I'm just going to add in our butter to that and let that melt down together. We're going to separate our eggs then, so we've got 3 eggs. And what we're going to do with this is we're actually going to make a meringue, okay? So you want to beat up your egg whites so you get it kind of to a soft peak, okay? So soft peak is just roughly like that. Then we're going to add in half our sugar to that. Then you're going to beat that up. And what will happen is that your eggs will become quite shiny, so it's looking like a meringue effect. Okay, you can see it there. Okay, at that stage we're going to add in the remainder of the sugar. And you got lovely meringues there, okay? So that's quite an easy step to do. With our egg yolks then, we're just going to beat those up. And just turn off the heat from under your chocolate and your butter there. And that's just going to melt together, like so. And you can see there, that's becoming really, really shiny. Okay, just make sure that the butter is completely dissolved into your chocolate. And I always kind of take it off the heat there, just so the chocolate doesn't get too hot. And the butter is just kind of going through the chocolate and give you that lovely kind of silky texture. We're going to add in our egg yolks to it. When the egg yolks go in, kind of just mix those up. And then it kind of gets thick, it thickens up like so, okay? And then we're going to add in the meringue mixture. Okay, and then with your whisk there, you will kind of want to just fold it in. So I'm kind of twisting the bowl and the whisk, and you get kind of this lovely lightness happening with your dessert. And you can see that the chocolate and the meringue is actually mixing together, and you get that absolute gorgeous chocolate. Yes, beautiful. Okay, and this is where it becomes quite cool, right? So because anything that goes into a dishwasher will basically go into the oven. At the temperature we want, 180 degrees or 350, whichever temperature you're working off. So I'm using cups here, so like just a teacup, so you can get quite quirky, a little copper pot there. Okay, and I'm just going to pour the mixture in to the cup, about 3/4 of the way up. The oven then for 12 minutes. All right. I mean, look at those. It's just fantastic, right? And again, really, really simple. I have some whipped cream here. I'm just going to add in a little bit of Irish liqueur into it. I'm just going to mix that, okay? Just when I put it in front of our guests, our waitstaff then will actually go and literally just do a little spoon over top. And you get this little thing of magic all the way from Ireland. Oh, look at that. So you got that little bit of magic all the way from Ireland into your home to give you a little taste of Ireland.